going on YouTube? Today we're going to be installing Rally Armor mud flaps on a 2004 WRX Impreza.
You may be able to install your front mud flaps by turning your front wheel. There are 4 clips that you're going to have to access. My wheels were too wide to get to them, so I had to remove my front wheel. You can remove these clips using a flathead screwdriver. There are clips under the side skirts that allow you to be able to move the side skirt. Remove them with a flathead screwdriver. Now you are going to be moving the fender liner out of the way. While doing this, I removed the debris that was behind the fender liner. Be careful while moving this because the fender liner is thin and it's easy to rip. Now we have the round edge clips. These are used for the front fenders. With those clips installed, you can now put the inner fender liner back in place. Next, we have the plastic insert. This will be going in the hole closest to the center of the car. Your Rally Armor logo should face the back of your car. Take your long screw and put it through the washer. Take that and put it through the mud flap. And then your spacer will go onto the long screw. This screw will be going into the plastic insert closest to the center of the car. The bottom hole uses a long screw and a washer. The top 2 holes use the short screws and a washer. Once the mud flap is aligned, use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten all the screws. Reinstall the clip under your side skirt. Put your wheel back on and don't forget to torque them down afterwards. Moving to the rear of the car, remove the wheel. Remember, your Rally Armor logo should be facing the back of the car. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the clip towards the center of the car. Next, you will be installing the polygon edge clips for the rear. Take the long screw and a washer and put it through the flap. Put the spacer on and put it through the hole closest to the center of the car. This hole also uses one of the polygon edge clips. The two remaining holes use a short screw and a washer. Once all your screws are in your mud flap, do not fully tighten them. First, make sure that your mud flap is perpendicular to the road, then you can fully tighten your screws.